Hiya, just going to work through the second subquery example from the notes booklet. So in this one, we are going to look at using insert with a subquery. So in this utterly contrived example, a second table gets created. Maybe we're making a backup of some of the customer details or whatever. And then we have to add all of the customer details where they've got a balance of over 15. So let's create the second table. So it's just the same as the first one. And I'm going to copy that and paste it in here. There we go. Now let's have a look at what we want to do. We just want to get the customers who have a balance greater than 15 and stick them in there. Now, again, I could manually go through these and think, right, okay, L Evans, I need to do an insert statement for her into new customer table. Chris Wolstenholme, need to do one for him. So I could manually go through it, but of course that's ridiculous. We've got a computer at our fingertips. Data could change. We want to do this in some sort of automatic way. So what we do is we use a select statement. In this case, a nat5 level select statement will give us all the details we want. And let's just copy this, select everything from customer where balance is greater than 15. So let's just paste that in and just do that as a simple little query. Okay, L Evans, Chris Wolstenholme, and Thurston Moore. I agree with that. Yeah. And now that gives us the results, but having got the results, there's not much we can do with it. So instead we include that as a subquery in our insert. So we simply say insert into new customer table, a normal insert statement, but where we would then put values, we would type the keyword values, as we did in a previous example. We would then type values. We're not going to do that. We're just going to put in brackets. Subqueries are always in brackets. We're going to put the subquery, and that will be evaluated first. So this inner query gets evaluated. It'll return this result set. And then that result set, those 3 rows there, will effectively replace it. So insert into new customer table. Effectively what it's saying is insert into new customer table 3 L Evans 26, Chris Wolstenholme 16, and so on. Okay, so let's just check it works. And I can copy that, paste it in, and let's just check. So select, if I just select everything from new customer table, there we go. And of course they're still in the original table as well. There they all are. Okay, right, that's me done, I think. Hope that helps a little bit.